Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I have today in my shop 2010 Prius. You saw it many times in different videos, and today it came for oil change, but also one of the headlights, the main bulb, the low beam is burnt apparently. And the owner handed me replacement bulb. I never installed these, so I'm not familiar with it. I'm not sure how it looks like, and I wanted to share that with you in this video as an alternative to the stock stuff. Let's go check this baby. What light is actually needed? So if I put it on, oh yeah, that's white. It's kind of whitish. I will be not pointing the camera direct in it, but that makes a lot of light. Alright, so the problem is on the passenger side. I was getting ready for it, so I peeked actually down here. Can I squeeze that camcorder there, the camera, or not? There's not much space for fingers, yeah, but you see, there is already, apparently, the bulb on this side was replaced. That's why we see it so bright. And there is a special connector. When I looked on here, it looks down there that I have a normal original bulb. To remove it easily, without scratching yourself or cutting yourself on that metal, you can either move this. I found way easier to move the part of the intake, this pipe. So it will be 1, 2, 3, and I believe that's enough, 3 10mm bolts to undo, and it will disconnect from the box. Let's see if that will be a case. So the 3 bolts are off. I will put it somewhere here. And now carefully wiggle. It should give up. I need also disconnect that little wire. It's stuck on it. For that I will use this tool, the little fork. It's just a little holder, so the wire it's not bouncing around and vibrating around. Here we go. I can continue and carefully lift this without damaging it. That's always the goal. We are repairing things, not damaging them. Voila! The whole intake pipe is out, and we can look at the bulb. I will carefully try to sink the camera in this open area, which is incredible. You can see it, and hopefully you see up there the wire on the back of that bulb, which is obviously burnt. So I will grab it and basically you rotate it depending where you're standing. If you are in the cabin, it will be a counterclockwise movement and it will come out. My hand and the camera will not fit here, so as I said, I will just turn it this way. And I will be able to pack it up, which just happened. Then I push the tab, and here we go. You will agree, this is original bulb. Apparently these guys, the owners, they like that aftermarket stuff. This is not, this is the old one, and they want us to install for them the new one. As I said, I never worked with these It's something new to me, so let's go together open it. I didn't yet. Oh, very interesting. So here is the case, how it's presented. We always know not to touch this thing. There is a LED, the yellow LED, I can see it kind of. So what will be the correct way to move it? And obviously it looks, there was the other one which they replaced in the past. It has a space for two. And all you do, you carefully pull that pigtail. Look at it, this is pretty cool. I hope I can show it to you. Look at this baby. That looks, right, like a LED element right there. Hopefully now it's in the middle of the screen. You can see it nice, sharp, it's focused on it. So this is pretty cool. And basically what I see, I will install the bulb the same way. I will just screw it in. Here the elements are identical. And instead of just directly in it clicking, it will be connected right here. So I will be still careful not to touch this tip. Obviously that's always a good idea. And let's go and put it in. Here we go. I must be getting in your way. Sorry for that. But that cannot be avoided. So will it catch immediately, easily? Like I remove that? It should. I move the light. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And the pigtail is nicely coming down to the ground. We might say it may be even easier to install. You see the both connectors, the black pigtail and the green is the vehicle's connectors. So I will again back away with the camera and click those together. Again, sorry getting in your way, but that's the only way I see it can be done. Let's listen to the audible click. Oh yeah, I'm sure you heard it. And let's go check if the lights are working. Let's see if it worked out, the whole thing. Oh yeah, look at it. Again, I will be not pointing the camera in it. It's super, super bright. You can probably see it there. So that's good. They were right. The bulb was bad. And this is basically nice alternative to the original OEM replacements. And I just wanted to share this with you to show you that we have always some kind of options when we are dealing with those headlights. So thank you for watching and be subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.